Hey! Ah, hello, fellow parents. Huh?
How's it going, Larry?
Good, how are you, Hal?
Good.
Hi, Gene.
Last.
Susie?
Yeah.
Hey, guys, I'm sorry. I got to get going. I'll see you later, okay? I love you. Bye.
So cute.
Bye.
Sweet.
Bye.
Bye now.
That's a sign from
Sweet
bye,
guy.
right? Huh?
Yeah.
See, I got that down. Bye.
Yeah, you're a genius.
Huh? Bye. How about so-so? I know a lot more, too. Let me ask you a question.
What?
You happy with your toaster? You happy with your toaster?
Why? What's wrong?
It takes forever. It's so slow.
Slow. Oh, there's a sale. Sur la table. Sur la table's having a sale on toasters.
I
Yeah.
didn't know how to say sur la table.
She spelled it, Larry. She spelled it.
You're pretty good.
Yeah,
You're
there's a lot
pretty
of
good.
things about me you don't know. Hello, sweetheart.
I'm going to that sale. You too? Yeah.
All right.
Hi, Sammy.
Hi.
Oh, Spider! Spider!
Oh my God!
Spider!
Come on. Larry, what is the matter with you, killing a live creature? These kids don't need to see that kind of violence.
It's a little spider, big deal.
You okay, sweetie?
Oh, my God. Is that your dog? I thought it was like half rat or something.
Said it's a rat.
You know, like it looks... No, it's a joke. I was joking! Joking!
You insulted her now, okay? She can't
What did
hear
you-
you
what did you-
screaming.
what did-
You heard what I said. I said you said it was half rat.
How do you wind up with a dog like that? Hi. Toaster? Yeah. Yeah, you told me. Sorry about what? I was joking about the dog. I like the dog. You want me to kiss him? Yeah, the makeup, sure. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, and your husband, I was in the bathroom, you know, and he was washing, and I went like this. I had a scratch, and bad. Misunderstanding. Yeah, misunderstanding. Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Affection, the kind of joy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Grease is about to begin. Please turn off all cell phones. Thank you.
It's a rat!
What?